Hi guys, Noah here with Green Cover Seed. As promised, we're back with another educational video about cover crops. Today we're looking at our newest brassica, the smart radish.
Hey, this is Jakin, and yes, the smart radish is a new plant that is bred specifically for the cover crop and soil health market. This is not a daikon, vegetable, or oilseed radish, but is an entirely new plant from top to bottom. This has been bred in New Zealand by Mr. Adrian Russell, and now being marketed in the United States by Green Cover Seed.
These were both planted on July 4th, so we're about 40 days of growth here. And this daikon or nitro radish has an excellent taproot, which is great for scavenging nutrients, storing them throughout the winter, and then slowly releasing them back into your soil in the spring. But look at the difference between the daikon radish and the new smart radish. Look how much deeper this taproot is. It also has these side horizontal roots which pull this tuber deeper into the ground, unlike the nitro radish, which sits about 2 to 3 inches above ground. Also, from a grazing standpoint, the forage production from the smart radish far outweighs that of the nitro radish.
And because more of that tuber on the smart radish is farther underneath the soil, we're excited to see how well it does in the winter months when it gets cold and frost starts coming. Priced at $1.95 and 27,000 seeds per pound, we're confident that this new smart radish will be well worth it.
If you want to learn more about the smart radish, visit our website at greencoverseed.com or call our office at 402-469-6784.
Think smart and plant radish.